Hello friends. In the last video, I told you about a lot of keyboard shortcuts used in PPT, and we have seen how to give the sub points, and using keyboard we have seen how to go to the slideshow. So let's basically continue for the next video. So the last time we have seen there are basically many layouts, namely from here. So there were nine layouts, and we have discussed the title slide and the title and content. So I'm using the title and content in my slide number 3 and giving the heading as maybe country and writing few countries like this. So this is like, we can display our data in a bullet points. But generally, it's always easier to understand the graphical data. So what I'll do is a quick tip, and which is being used a lot. Select this data, and in right click, the option comes convert to SmartArt. If you use convert to SmartArt, and you can use any layouts, I'm using the first one, which is vertical bullet list. So my data converted into the shapes directly. So it's a very powerful option, and my bullet points converted into the SmartArt. Now the two tabs added with the SmartArt, which is SmartArt design and format. If you keep the cursor outside, these two tabs will not come. Your cursor has to be always on the SmartArt. If I click on the SmartArt now, we'll see the two tabs named as SmartArt design. In the lower version of Excel, it can be design also. So according to your version, just check what is the tab name. So I'm going to SmartArt design and use the option change colors, and yes, my SmartArt becomes very colorful. Now suppose if I wish to add one more country, so there are two ways. One, on any of the diagram, I'll just say right click and the option comes add shape and say add shape before or after. Maybe I'm saying after. So after India, one more rectangle is added, and I can write it directly any country. Other way to add is basically go from this arrow. If you go from this arrow, after like suppose Japan, if I press enter, so one more rectangle. So you can add in this way lot of data using this window also. If I wish to delete, I can just simply press the backspace and it will be deleted. The same concept works over here also. If I press after India the tab key, the sub point of India. Similar way, wherever you want the sub point, we can use this way. So in this way, I can make lot of smart arts. If you wish to again change the layout, you can go to SmartArt design, and there are so many layouts. If you're not liking this layout, you can just change them and see whatever the layout suits you. You can use them. After SmartArt design, when you have used the change colors, so these are the option to give more effects, like maybe the 3D effects. So you can give the 3D effects to your SmartArt. Maybe the embossed boxes, like the inset. I really like this layout, so I'll just change to inset. So this way I can convert my data into the SmartArt and change the layouts. So we can add the pictures using these icons. So I'll just double click on this icon, and you have lot many pictures which you can add. So we have the option of online pictures. Suppose I'm choosing this. Just for an example, I'm choosing this in Apple, and you will see the apple taking the shape. Okay, some of the pictures you have to see whether it's coming or not. So I'm going to take again some other picture. And yes, similar way you can go to double click. Either you can choose it from file, stock images, online picture, or from icons also. So you can display in your SmartArt lot of icons, and they look good. Using icons, you can display lot of SmartArt. So guys, we have seen in this video how to convert your bullet list into the smart art. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.